Today, I'm going to show you how to overlay two photos in Photoshop to create a stunning composite image, combining a beautiful clear day sky with a dramatic starry night scene. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to blend two images together, but you'll also understand how to use Photoshop's powerful masking and blending features to get natural, eye-catching results. Let's get started. Right now, I've got two photos ready, one of a bright clear day sky and another of a mesmerizing starry night sky. The first thing you always want to do is make a copy of your first image, in this case, the clear day sky. This might seem like a small or even unnecessary step, but trust me, working on a duplicate layer gives you the freedom to experiment without ever risking your original file. In Photoshop, you can just right-click the layer and select Duplicate Layer. If you're trying this for the first time, don't worry, it's a lifesaver if you ever need to backtrack. Now let's bring in our second image, the starry night sky. Make sure this starry image is placed above our clear day sky layer in the Layers panel. The order here is important because Photoshop reads from the top down. Whatever is on top will be most visible, especially when we start blending layers. Here comes a super cool part. We're going to change the blending mode of the starry night layer. By default, layers just stack on top of each other and you only see the top one, but changing the blend mode is like telling Photoshop how those two layers should interact. So click on the drop-down menu in your Layers panel. It usually says Switch it to Overlay. Instantly, you'll start to see the two skies merge together, with those nighttime stars shining through your daytime sky. The Overlay blend mode works by both darkening and lightening the underlying layer, creating a more dynamic mix, which is perfect for bringing stars into your daylight scene while still keeping some cloud detail and color. But maybe it looks a little too intense or the effect seems a bit harsh. This is where masking comes in. Select the first image, the copy of the clear day sky, and add a layer mask. Think of a mask like a window. You get to control exactly where one image shows through the other, almost as if you're letting some starlight peek through the clouds. If you've never added a mask before, it's as simple as clicking the little rectangle with a circle icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. With the mask selected, you can use a soft brush tool set to black or white to paint on the mask, revealing or hiding the starry sky beneath as needed. It's worth taking your time here, zoom in, zoom out, and look for areas where you want more detail. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always switch your brush color to white and restore parts of the original image. Finally, let's refine the look a bit more by adjusting the opacity of the starry night layer. Lowering the opacity is just like dialing down the volume on a song. Maybe full blast is too much, but somewhere around 50% lets those stars subtly enhance your sky without looking fake. You can slide the opacity slider until you're happy with the balance. This part is totally up to your taste. Some people like a dramatic blend, others prefer something more realistic. Take a moment, play around, and see what looks best to you. And that's it. Just by duplicating your base image, stacking your night sky on top, setting the right blend mode, masking with care, and tweaking opacity, you can turn two ordinary photos into one extraordinary scene. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any Photoshop questions or want to see other tricks. Hit subscribe for more creative tutorials every week, and thanks so much for watching.